Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to share. Today we are doing 2020 Topps Women of Star Wars Hobby Box Break. I want to give a shout out to Baseball Card Clubhouse located in Tampa, Florida. We have had some huge hits with their Star Wars hobby boxes. Some of our previous videos, we'll show some of the printing plates and sketch cards we pulled. And of course, we got a couple of their baseball card hobby boxes. And we've had some very nice rookie autos and signature hits from them. So make sure to check out those videos. And again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to be doing some giveaways here pretty soon. All right, let's check this out. All Women of Star Wars. And our autograph that we got, Crystal Clark auto. Beautiful auto. First pack. Ula from Return of the Jedi. I got a numbered card here. 78 of 99. Ahsoka and Barris. Very nice. Aurora Singh and Lattice Rise. Cool. 79 to 99. Aurora Singh. Popular character. First introduced in episode 1. She had like a 3-second interview. Debut. Princess Leia Gana Soto. Princess Leia Gana again. Let's see. Carrie Fisher will be missed. Collect all 8. The Journey of Leia Organa cards. Sabe, Princess Amidala's stand-in. Phasma. Padme Amidala. Beautiful card. Padme and Dorme. Lady Proxima. Interesting character from the Han Solo series. Han Solo movie. Nice Tano card. What's this? Nice Caradune. Blue parallel. Got a couple of the orange parallels. I'm guessing the number ones are really good. Last pack. Here we go. Governor Price. General again, so Vice Admiral Holder. And ooh, nice. A 5 of 5 Katuni. Wow. Nice 5 of 5 Katuni. Put the number right on the front there. Very nice pull. And we got our Crystal Clark Auto. 78 of 99. Tano and Offie. Thanks for watching. More Hobby Box breaks on the way, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share on your social media. And we'll soon be doing giveaway of numbered parallels to our subscribers and our regular commenters and a monthly auto giveaway. So stay tuned. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe to Hobby Box Break.